Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can set default font size in Excel. And here you can see that right now my default font size is 12. So if you want to change it to the 14 or 11, so for this you need to click on the file and click on the more and click on the options. And in Excel option you need to click on the general and scroll down until you find when creating new workbooks and locate the font size underneath that. And here you need to click on this arrow and select the font size to 14 and then click OK and click OK, and then you need to restart Excel for the new default font size to take effect on all future work. So this way I hope you understand how you can set default font size in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.